Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning about triangles and its types. So let's start. A triangle. A triangle is a simple closed figure made up of three line segments. So a simple closed figure made up of three line segments. So it looks like this. So these are the some different types of triangles. They are simple, closed and only made up of three line segments. Let us consider a triangle. These are the parts of a triangle: vertices, sides and angles. These are the three elements of a triangle. A triangle has vertices, or we can say corners. It has sides and angles. To start with, vertices. As you can see here, the corners. There are three corner points, or we can say there are three vertices. So vertices is the plural for vertex. Vertex means corner. So there are three vertices in a triangle. Then, as you can see here, there are three sides. The sides that connect the vertices is called as the sides. So the line segment that connects the vertices are called as the sides here. Next, whenever two lines meet or two sides meet, there is an angle formed. So you can see here, there are three angles formed. So a triangle has three vertices, three sides and three angles. So let's name them now. So let's name the vertices A, B and C. So point A, point B and point C are the three vertices. Now next is sides. You can see here AB is one of its side, then BC and the third side is CA. So AB, BC and CA, like that angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. So these are the elements of a triangle: three vertices, three sides and three angles. Now let's see the types of triangle. Triangles are divided actually into two categories. So one is based on sides and another category is based on angle. Based on sides and based on angles it has. To start with, based on sides. So the triangle that are based on the sides are equilateral, isosceles and scalene. These are the triangles based on the sides or the length of the sides. Next, based on angles: acute angled, right angled and obtuse angled triangles. So we are having six types of triangles. Three are based on sides, three are based on angles. So let's know more about it. To start with, equilateral triangle. So as the name suggests, a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. The length of the three sides will be equal. So we can see here ABC. So AB, BC and CA, all the three are having the same length. So we can say AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. All the three sides are equal. So it is an equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles. A triangle in which any of the two sides are equal. So let us consider this triangle. Name the vertices A, B and C. So in triangle ABC, suppose AB is equals to BC. So this will be an isosceles triangle and the third one will be unequal. So AB will be equals to BC, but the third side, that is AC, will be unequal. It will not be the same. If it is same, it will be equilateral then. So here any of the two sides are equal, or else it may be like AB is equals to CA or BC is equals to CA. In all these three cases, this will be called as isosceles triangle because any two sides are equal. The third side is not equal to the other two. Next, scalene triangle. A triangle in which none of the sides are equal. All are different. So let's consider this triangle A, B and C. So you can see here, none of them are equal to each other. So in this way, AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. Then it will be called as scalene triangle. So based on sides, we have three. One is equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. Next, on the angles now. Acute angle triangle. As the name suggests, acute angled. So a triangle in which all the three angles are acute. Remember, all the three angles are acute. So we can consider a triangle like this in which all the three angles are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. So all the three angles A, B and C are less than 90. Then it will be called as acute angled triangle. Next, right angled triangle. So a triangle in which any one of the angle is a right angle. So we get a right angle triangle like this, A, B and C. So here you can see angle A is 90 degree. So that is a right angle. So any one of them is a right angle, it is called as a right angled triangle. So in a right angle triangle, always you have to see one of them is 90 degree and other two are acute angles, B and C. So this is a right angled triangle. And the last one is obtuse angled triangle. So a triangle in which any of the angle is an obtuse angle, any one of that. So it looks like this, A, B and C. Here we can see the angle C is greater than 90, that is an obtuse angle. If it has one obtuse angle, then the triangle will be known as obtuse angled triangle. So based on angles, we have three triangles. One is acute angled, right angled and obtuse angled. For acute angle, all should be less than 90. For right angle triangle, any one should be 90 degree. And for obtuse angle, as you can see here, it should be just more than 90 degree, any one of the angle. Then it will be called as obtuse angled triangle. Thank you and keep exploring.